In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate the process of importing data into QuickBooks with ease. This guide will help you streamline your workflow, especially if you're new to QuickBooks or looking to import a significant amount of data effortlessly. So, let's walk through each step and ensure you're equipped with all the necessary details to make this process smooth and successful. To start, open your preferred web browser and make your way to QuickBooks by entering the website address in the navigation bar. Once the page is loaded, you'll see the home page awaiting you. This is where you can dive into the world of QuickBooks and manage your financial details with precision. If you haven't already logged in, take a quick moment to do so, as you'll need full access to your account settings to proceed. Now, once you're comfortably situated on the home page, take a look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the settings icon, which resembles a small gear. Clicking on this piece of icons will open up a menu loaded with options that are necessary for customizing and managing your account. It's like the command center of your QuickBooks, where you can oversee multiple settings and make adjustments as required. In this menu, direct your attention to the section that says Import Data. This option is pivotal if you're aiming to bring in data from another source into QuickBooks. By selecting Import Data, you're effectively signaling to QuickBooks that you're ready to introduce new information into your system. This step is crucial whether you're migrating your records from a previous accounting tool or beginning to streamline your financial data from spreadsheets. The next page that appears will present a further set of options. Here, you'll want to hone in on the Import button. Clicking this will launch the actual process of bringing new data into QuickBooks. Before you proceed, take a moment to ensure you have your data sources ready and that they are formatted correctly according to QuickBooks' specifications. This will help prevent any hiccups down the road and make sure your data import is seamless and accurate. As you progress through these steps, be sure to follow any prompts provided by QuickBooks. These prompts can offer additional guidance or alert you to any necessary adjustments in your data formatting. By aligning with QuickBooks guidance, you'll foster a smoother import process. Finally, as you complete the import process, take a moment to verify that all data has been accurately reflected in your QuickBooks account. Review your entries and ensure that everything appears as it should. This verification step confirms that your entries are correct and that you've successfully navigated the import process. With this guide, you're now empowered to effortlessly bring your data into QuickBooks, enhancing your financial management experience.